Welcome back, subscribers and viewers, to Monster Truck Classics. Here is the Spin Master Monster Jam Series Avenger of Mix 7. On the back of the box now, we have Gravedigger. There we go. Gravedigger Megalodon. That doesn't look too bad. Horsepower. I saw that one in the store, and that one... oh man, I was wondering if I should get it or not. If they did make it into a real Monster Jam truck, then yes, I would have bought it. But that's a tough one. It's a good truck. Good looking truck. Alien Invasion. Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Not really interested in getting that one. Then we have Earth Shaker. Max D, Maximum Destruction, Zombie in the training trucks. Here is the Retro Rebels of Avenger. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Here we go with the little figure. And let's get the poster out. Oh, nice. So we get a picture of Earth Shaker here in Mix 7. And then all the trucks. Here is Mix 7 of all the trucks. And then Mix 8 down below. Let's go ahead now and move on to Avenger. Here it is. Really like the beadlock green rims. Very cool. Bring it up a little bit closer. So here is the details in Avenger. What I noticed from the Avenger from earlier in the year, that this lining right here is kind of new, just in the casting. Also here in the window, back window is a little bit bigger, and it doesn't have a window sticker right there, as you can notice. So in the front now, this is where it becomes a little bit different, because it's supposed to look like an S10 body. So in the front there, you see that we have a different style in the body in the front to look like Avenger, that he ran this kind of body style even when he first started out. And then there's a scar with the flames. Then on the other side, there we have what the other side looks like. On the back, we have Lucas Oil Products on the tailgate. And then up above, on the roof of the truck, we have Lucas Oil and also the flaming job. Now underneath the chassis is, this one is plastic looking, and it's gray. Also goes with the motor is gray, and you can see back here all this part is all gray. Compared now to the truck that came out earlier in the year, you can see the difference here in the front, the two differences. You can also tell the difference here with the back window being a lot smaller in this version. The sponsors are a lot bigger on this version right here down below than this one here. So you can see the two differences. That will end the unboxing of Mix 7 here of Avenger. Thank you for tuning in.